Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the SoundCloud bot to your Discord server, step by step. This bot lets you stream your favorite SoundCloud tracks directly into your voice channels for an awesome music experience. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the server where you want to add the bot. In the top left corner, click on your server name to open the drop-down menu. From here, scroll down and select Server Settings. Once you're in Server Settings, look at the menu on the left-hand side and scroll down until you see App Directory. Click on that to proceed. Now you're in the app directory. In the search bar at the top, type SoundCloud as one word and hit Enter. The first result should be the official SoundCloud bot. Go ahead and click on it. On the bots page, look to the right and click on the Add to Server button. Make sure you select the correct server from the drop-down menu. Once you're sure, click Continue. Scroll down through the list of permissions, and once you've reviewed them, click Authorize at the bottom. Here are some essential commands to get you started. Play, song name, plays a specific song from SoundCloud. /disconnect, disconnects the bot from the voice channel. /loop, loops the current track. Make sure you type these commands in a text channel the bot has access to. And that's it! You're all set to enjoy your favorite SoundCloud tracks on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.